Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In topic sin video ini, pakita tabang biadtiin pag-calculate sin payroll atau salary atau lang tamin gaji. Okay. So, himi nang ako, sample data sin mga most basic sin ha ang ta employee, mga sampun yan basic salary monthly niya. Ubus lang tabang so pamaon siya allowance, monthly allowance, transport, bagsukay niya. Ubus yun, overtime rate per hour. Pilasin in rate niya ang kadyamang so pama siya mag-overtime. Ubus lang tain niya on data niya. So pama lang ta nakahinang siya yaon. Yun yung numbers in oras niya, hour, hinang niya. Ubus yan, overtime pay, tax, SSS, ubus niya on advance pay, pang sa pamabiya kima siya for advance pay. Ubus total deduction, gross pay, and net pay. So bali mga blank ini. Ni insolventa, calculate ta. Okay. Based on the problem. Ilabitan ko rin di mga bedin pag-calculate. So pa mo di nyo tawali mo makaingatan mong bedin. Okay. So in overtime pay yun, of course, multiply yun mo in number of hours. Yun, number of hours. Even sin rate niya per hour. Okay. Yung bitang ko in kwan niya, in bedin pagka overtime number 1 yan. Overtime pay is the product of rate per hour and number of hours. So bale multiply yung main diwa yun, number of hours work for overtime iban in rate niya per hour. So butang mo yun dun in cell pointer equal obus number of hours work for overtime asterisk multiply times then overtime per hour or rate per hour, enter. So bali mo yun overtime payment niya. Okay, ubus copy mo pababa. Ubus in tax is 5% of gross pay. Hati niya kumakaw 5% doon na gross pay. So di mo makaiba in tax siya on, bang mayroon pa in gross pay. SSS damik yan 3% of gross pay. So multiply mo 3% times gross pay amay ito in deduction or SSS lang ta. Kasi may SSS niya deduction yan. Ubus total deduction is the sum of tax, SSS, and advance pay. So tax, SSS, and advance pay. In total deduction in formula. Gross pay is the sum of basic salary, transport allowance, and overtime. So in answers in maka mo in gross pay ni total mo in sum. Yun. Total mo in basic salary natin sin sum yun, total mo yun. Plus mo. Total mo in basic salary yaon. Ubus transport allowance iwan sin overtime pay. Okay. So kawaon ta muna yung gross pay yaon ang pamakawatin tax. Calculate ta muna yung gross pay equal yung gross pay sum of basic salary equal basic salary plus transport allowance plus overtime pay. On overtime pay yaon. So address niya B9 C9 iwan F9 yun. Okay, enter. So bali mo yun yung gross pay niya kata. Okay, copy mo pababa. Ayan. So maka mo na biyawon in tax. Tax is 5% of gross pay. Okay, yun. Tax is 5% of gross pay. So ibutang mo dito tax equal 5% of gross pay. Gross pay asterisk or times what is 5%? 5% is 0.05. Enter. So, may timbayar mo, tax mo. Copy. Tag baba. Yan. Ubus, SSS 3% of gross pay. Equal, gross pay times 0.03. Enter. Yan. SS bayaran mo. Yan. 342. Copy. Drag down baba. Ubus, in total deduction, total deduction is the sum of tax, SS, and advance pay. So, total mo in deduction equal tax plus SSS plus advance pay. So, may sinagi ibang yun, dire-diretso makatari mo sa lumin sum dun. So, either sum or plus. Okay lang yan. Enter. So, may in total deduction si Darwin yung. Dan copy mo pababa. Track. Yan. So, in net pay is gross pay less total deduction. So, atin niya, gross pay minus in total deduction, ang natin maging net pay. Then, katum yung cell pointer equal gross pay minus total deduction. Enter. So, bali mo ra kung manyoin, nakapin. Ito ma-receive niya. Net pay na kanya. So, copy yung bababa. Okay. So, 7,000. Yan kay Suraida. Muna yan in mga net pay nila. Okay. So, ang ito in mga biadiin pag-solve. Sample pag-solve sin payroll. Sample lang yan. So, ang pangaso mo nyo, mag-comment na dyan ka mo. Either dun ha tausug video tutorial or ha YouTube channel ko. Magsukol.